Hello friends, this video is to understand the scientific concept behind visualization and how exactly you can implement this technique so that you are able to achieve all your dreams and all the success in your life. Hey, what are you talking? ये कोई जादू है? ये सब ज्ञान की बातें हैं, असल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, you will not believe me, but you will definitely believe these person who have already implemented the visualization technique. Jim Carrey, initially he was so poor that he has to even clean the toilet. In 1990, he used this visualization technique by signing a check of $10 million to himself, and he put the date of 5 years later. And every day he used to see that check and visualize that he is getting that check. After 4 years, in 1994, he actually got this amount for the movie Dumb and Dumber. Arnold Schwarzenegger used this technique by visualizing one of the bodybuilder Reg Park's photo in front of him, and he wanted to make the body just like him. And as a result, at the age of 20, he became the youngest Mr. Universe ever.
Oprah Winfrey, through visualization, achieved from poverty to extreme wealth.
Michael Phelps, since the age of 12 years, every day he used to visualize an ideal swimming before going to sleep. And he kept on doing that. And we all know that he has won 28 Olympic medals. You know, हमारे पूरे देश ने 120 साल में जितने medals जीते हैं, Michael Phelps alone has won that much of medal. So that's the power of this thing. Tiger Woods, we all know, one of the biggest player of golf. He even, before taking any shot, he visualizes his shot, that how the ball is going inside the hole, and then he actually take the shot. Will Smith, Tony Robbins, Richard Branson, Michael Jordan, ये सारे लोग इस टेक्निक को मानते हैं. इतने बड़े बड़े लोग इस टेक्निक को मानते हैं, तो कुछ ना कुछ बात तो होगी इस टेक्निक में. ठीक है, माना कि ये काम करता है, पर कैसे करता है? So let me explain you exactly the science behind this technique. If you get inside a taxi and you give instruction to driver to go in 10 different directions, so he will go nowhere. हो सकता है आपको उठा के बाहर भी फेंक दे. So similar is with our brain. Every day we are having more than 65,000 thoughts. So actually our brain doesn't know which direction to go. So if we can have very clear goal and we start visualizing only in that direction, then our brain will actually understand where it has to go. As you must be knowing that our subconscious brain does not understand the difference between reality and imagination. If you really want to see this in detail, you can click on the link above, and I have made a video which tells you a detail that why we are not able to achieve anything what we plan. So once we start visualizing whatever goal we have made, and every day if we keep on visualizing that, our neural path automatically gets activated and our brain starts pushing us to achieve that in physical way also. Many research have shown that mental practice in order to improve any skill is as good as the real physical practice. In University of Chicago, there was an experiment that was done on 3 groups of basketball players. So the first group was asked to visualize doing the basket every day without touching the ball. The second group was actually asked to physically put the basket and keep on practicing every day. The third group was asked not to neither think or physically do anything about basketball. After a month, it was found that both the group who were actually practicing it physically and mentally had the same amount of improvement. And obviously, the third group had the least improvement. So it clearly shows that both physical and mental can give you the same kind of improvement in your skills. Through visualization, our brain actually knows where exactly to focus. There is a system called reticular activating system. So it gets activated once we start visualizing something. For example, if you plan to buy a car, from the next day you will see on the road you are only seeing the car that you have decided to buy. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगले दिन पूरी दुनिया वही कार खरीद के ले आए. It's only that your reticular activating system has got activated, which is actually pushing you to focus only on those cars on the road. So similarly, once you start visualizing, you will start going towards that goal that you want to achieve, and you will be surprised to see that how automatically you have started doing few things which you were not doing earlier, and automatically your body, your mind and everything is pushing you to do that thing. This technique has so much power in it. Even through this technique, you can change your belief system. If you want to know more about how the belief system can be changed, you can click on the link above, and I will also give the detail in the description.
मान गए, जबरदस्त ताकत है हमारे ब्रेन में और इस टेक्निक में. मैं तो सोचता था मेरी तरह ही आप सभी लोगों का ब्रेन खाली है. But tell me exactly how this technique can be used. So what are the exact steps that you can use to use this visualization technique? So the first step is to decide and write clear and specific goal with timelines. For example, I will score 90% marks in my 12th final exam. Another example, I will be promoted as a manager by 31st December 2020. The second step is to choose a peaceful place and close your eyes. You can do it sitting on the chair or on the ground. Mentally say what you want to achieve, which you have written as your goal. Repeat this affirmation 3 to 5 times. You can do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Ideally, you should do it just after waking up or just before going to sleep. But apart from that, you can choose any time. The third step is to imagine the situation or future event as per your goal. Try to visualize it as original and clear as possible. Initially, images will be blurred, but with practice, it will be more clear. Now try to add more emotion and use all the 5 senses while imagining and doing this technique. For example, if you get promotion at work, then imagine your cabin with your name. Try feel touch of the chair, table, laptop, etc. Smell the good fragrance of your room. Hear the people talking good about you. See the different colors of wall of your room. The more passion, excitement and energy you show during visualization, the more powerful result will be. So please do these steps and it will supercharge your personal growth. These are proven methods that can transform your life, and you can take the biggest leap in your personal growth. This does not mean that you will not take action and everything will fall in your lap. This technique will give you power and push from within to achieve your goals. I know 90% of the people will still not do it, because rich, successful, famous are only 10% people. Rest all remain as mediocre. What I want that you should be the part of 10%. Take control of yourself. Never give up. Never stop trying.
Never stop believing yourself. Your day will come. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with more such videos. Till then, stay inspired, stay motivated.